Find out how I earn more on Amazon without investing anything, and you can too! Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today's insights go beyond the basics. Stick around until the end for exclusive strategies and tips that will elevate your Amazon affiliate marketing game to the next level. Let's get started on your journey to success. Affiliate marketing is an excellent method to earn income online, and Amazon's wide array of products offers endless possibilities. In this model, you endorse products, and when purchases are made through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. This approach is particularly effective with Amazon due to its diverse and extensive product catalog, allowing you to find items that genuinely resonate with your audience and their interests. Starting with Amazon affiliate marketing requires setting up an account on their platform. The essential part here is having a medium for promotion, like a website, blog, or YouTube channel. Your platform can focus on any niche, technology, fashion, books, cooking, or more. This diversity allows you to target specific audiences and cater to their unique interests. When you apply for the Amazon affiliate program, providing detailed and accurate information about your promotional platform is crucial. Amazon assesses your application based on how you plan to drive traffic and generate sales. It's important to clearly articulate your strategy and how your platform aligns with Amazon's products. Once your account is approved, you gain access to the Amazon affiliate dashboard. This dashboard is a goldmine of tools and data, including performance metrics, earnings reports, and link building tools. Familiarizing yourself with these features is essential as they play a significant role in tracking your success and optimizing your affiliate strategies. Choosing the right product to promote is a critical step. Select products that align with your platform's theme and audience interests. This alignment ensures that your promotions feel natural and are more likely to captivate and interest your audience, thereby increasing the chances of successful referrals. Generating a unique affiliate link for the products you choose is done via Amazon's SiteStripe feature. This unique link is how Amazon tracks referrals from your content to their product pages, ensuring you receive credit and commission for the sales generated through your efforts. Creating compelling content around the products is key. This could involve product reviews, comparisons, or discussing its features in blog posts, videos, or social media updates. Your goal is to present the product in a way that is informative and engaging, making it appealing to your audience. Authenticity in content creation is vital. Avoid overselling or exaggerating the product's benefits. Instead, focus on providing honest opinions and reviews. This builds trust with your audience, leading to more clicks on your affiliate links and eventually more sales. Search engine optimization, SEO, is an invaluable tool in driving traffic to your content. Using relevant keywords and phrases that potential customers might use in search engines can greatly increase the visibility and discoverability of your content, thereby attracting more potential buyers. The quality of your content is just as important as its SEO. Your content should be engaging, visually appealing, and of high quality. This not only retains viewers, but also encourages them to explore your content further, increasing the likelihood of them clicking on your affiliate links. Making your content easily shareable on social media expands your reach. By incorporating social sharing buttons and optimizing content for social platforms, you can attract a broader audience, leading to increased affiliate sales. Incorporate affiliate links naturally into your content. They should blend seamlessly with the narrative or informational flow of your content. This natural integration ensures a better user experience and increases the likelihood of your audience engaging with the links. Diversify your product promotions. Don't limit yourself to promoting a single type of product. By endorsing a range of products that fit within your platform's niche, you can appeal to a broader section of your audience and maximize your potential earnings. Promoting deals and discounts can be a winning strategy. People are often enticed by savings, so focusing on products that are discounted or part of special deals can significantly increase the likelihood of purchases through your affiliate links. Enjoying our unique angle? Keep the perspective fresh. Hit subscribe, applaud with a like, and ring the bell for more unique viewpoints. Ready to see more from this angle? Let's continue the journey. It's important to have realistic expectations about the pace of success in affiliate marketing. It's a gradual process that requires patience, persistence, and continual learning and strategy refinement. Regularly review your performance reports available in your Amazon affiliate account. These reports offer critical insights into which products and strategies are effective and which are not. This information is invaluable for fine-tuning your approach to maximize success. Stay informed about changes in Amazon's affiliate program policies. Amazon occasionally updates its terms, and being aware of these changes ensures that your strategies remain compliant and effective. Even small details like the design and placement of your affiliate links can impact their effectiveness. Experimenting with different colors, placements, and fonts can help determine what works best for your audience and maximizes click-through rates. Remember, affiliate marketing is not just about selling products. It's about building a community around your content. Engaging with your audience, responding to comments, and fostering a sense of community can build loyalty and trust, which are crucial for long-term success. Leveraging email marketing by building a subscriber list can be a powerful strategy. Sharing your content and affiliate links directly with subscribers who have shown interest in your content can significantly boost traffic and potential sales. Transparency is key in affiliate marketing. Always disclose your affiliate relationship with Amazon to your audience. This honesty is not only a legal requirement, but also helps to build trust with your audience. Negative comments or feedback should be seen as opportunities for growth rather than setbacks. Engage with such feedback constructively and use it to improve your content and strategies. Continually seek new products to promote to keep your content fresh and engaging. This ensures your audience remains interested and regularly visits your platform for new insights and product recommendations. Creating best of lists is a great way to incorporate multiple affiliate links in a single piece of content. These lists are popular among consumers who are looking for the top products in a specific category and can drive significant traffic and sales through your affiliate links. Writing tutorials or guides that incorporate product promotions can be highly effective. This type of content helps your audience visualize using the products, potentially increasing their likelihood to purchase through your affiliate links. Don't underestimate the importance of mobile optimization. As more consumers shop on mobile devices, ensuring your content is mobile-friendly is crucial for maximizing your affiliate marketing success. Consider the global nature of Amazon. If your audience is international, participating in Amazon's affiliate programs for different regions can expand your reach and potential earnings. Patience and perseverance are key in the world of affiliate marketing. It often takes time to build up significant earnings, but with dedication and the right strategies, you can build a profitable online business. Step into a world where digital dreams turn into reality. It all starts with a free ebook laden with the most advanced online business strategies of the era. But that's just your launchpad. The real journey begins with an immersive 15-day challenge, intricately designed to elevate your e-commerce acumen under the tutelage of seasoned digital entrepreneurs. With access to hands-on tactics and a comprehensive digital toolkit, you're on the brink of online renown. Ready to transform your aspirations into achievements? Move with conviction! Hit the link in the description with vigor and begin charting your course to digital supremacy. Powering down from today's e-earning space mission, launched into the method Smooth Orbit or Space Bumps. Transmit your experiences in the comments. Did today's interstellar financial journey boost your trajectory? Click like to fuel more missions. Eager to explore more galactic income strategies? Subscribe and activate the mission bell, ensuring you're on board for every space venture. Before you re-enter orbit, spot that video in the star field? It's a guide to another lucrative galaxy. Engage and let's navigate the cosmos of online earnings together. Until our next celestial journey,